And welcome back in Django to-do app video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we'll install Django framework in our local machine and we run it. So to install Django framework, as I told in previous video, it's a Python framework. So first step, we have to install Python in our computer. I already installed in my local machine, that's why I'm not going to install again. Just go, you have to go python.org, go to download and install. It's very easy and simple. Just next, yes, I agree and okay. And same in Windows. After installation, just go to your terminal and type here python ---- version. If you are in Windows, it will show you the current version 3.9 or something what you installed. But if you are in Mac or Ubuntu, it will show you Python 2.7. And if I go here, I type Python 3, now it will show me the Python 3 version, Python 3.9 or something like that. I have currently installed in my computer 3.8.3. But if I go here, so when you will install, it's come to you 3.9. I'm not going or upgrade 3.9 because I'm working in some projects. Python may cause a problem for me. So after installation the Python, the next step, you have a code editor or text editor in your computer. I preferred Visual Studio Code, so just go here, download and install. It's also very easy and simple. After installation, Visual Studio Code, it will appear in front of you, and just go to this extensions and here install Python. It will be helpful for you. I already installed here. Yeah, here I installed already here. So install this Python extension, which is Microsoft developer. After installation the next step, we have to install Django in our system. Okay, open your terminal, or if you are in Windows, CMD. If you like to work, it's good, otherwise you can use the terminal of the VS Code. Now I'm going to create a folder in my desktop, cd desktop. In desktop I'm creating a directory. The name is to do. I think I already have a to do app because recently we developed in React.js, so I'm keeping here the name to do app. Okay, perfect. The next step, I can work in using this terminal, but it's better if we make here. It will be more easy and clear, and it's easy to understand for you. I'm going to open that folder, to do app, which I create in my folder, in my desktop, sorry. Here, to do app. Okay, now I opened here to do app, and now I'm going to open the terminal. Here I'll type Python 3 because I'm in Mac, that's why. If you are in Windows, don't need to type here Python 3. Python 3 -m venv space, and in current directory venv. So what is there? Venv is a virtual environment. To run our Django project, we have to create a virtual environment, and the app we have to run the app using this virtual environment and all the packages we install here in this environment. So now hit enter. Here the virtual environment will be, now you can see here it's installed. And I'll in next video tutorial I will install and show you in Windows operating system as well, because little bit you will find here um, changes if you compare with the Windows and Mac. So this video tutorial you can consider it's for Mac users. For Windows users, the installation of Django I will explain in next video tutorial. Now I'm going to activate this virtual environment. So the command is source venv slash, I have to go inside bin, then activate slash bin slash activate. Hit enter. Now you can see here our virtual environment is activated. Okay, next step, I have to install Django. The command is Python. Now I want to show you here Python. One more thing I forget to tell you. We can make also here. I will show you here. If I check here Python -hyphen version, hit enter. Now it show me I have Python 3.8.3. Why it's showing me Python 3.8? Before it shows me Python 2.7. If I go in my terminal and I type here Python version, it show me 2.7.16. This is happened because we generate this virtual environment, and this virtual environment we generate using Python 3. That's why when I check Python version inside my virtual environment, it shows me Python 3.8. So next step, here I'm going to install Django. Pip install Django. Hit enter. Now pip is in the start install Django in our virtual environment. We have to wait. Okay, here we catch a warning message. You are using pip version 19.2.3, however version 20.3.3 is available. Okay, then you should consider upgrade pip install upgrade pip. Okay, so here's a message. We are using this pip 19.2.3, but the current version is 20.3. I'm going to upgrade my pip install -hyphen upgrade pip. Now it's upgrading. Successful message we catch here. Our current version is 20.3.3. And next step, I'm going to create my project. Django -admin start project, and project name, let's say same I'm keeping here, to do app. And this one I need in current directory, means in here I want to install my I want to create my project in current directory. That's why I type here this dot sign. Hit enter. Now you can see our to do project is created, and also it's generate manage.py file. Now by using this manage.py file, I will run my project. And what inside this project, if we open, we have here init, it's initialize app.py, and about this ASGI, say using for deployment, and we will discuss and we deploy our project, not this one. um, Later we will launch some projects where we discuss, and WSGI is same thing, also we discuss about it later. And we have a settings.py, which is very important, and this video tutorial will learn about this settings.py, and coming projects will deeply use this settings.py. And here we are our urls.py file where you keep our all URLs. I'm going to remove the comments, and WSGI for deployment. We will see how to deploy our app, and that time we will discuss about it. I'm going to remove. Let's clear the terminal. Now I'm going to run my project. Python manage.py in this one. This file manage.py. Sorry, I opened that manage.py. Run server. If I hit enter, now our project is running, and it shows us you have 18 unemployed migrations, and you have to make migration and apply. This is later I will show you how to make a migration and migrate, but here you can see it's generated for us db.sqlite database. In this video tutorial we will use SQLite 3 database, but in coming video tutorials we'll see how to use MongoDB and PostgreSQL and even MySQL with Django. Now it's generate this IP, this address, and if I go in this address, it's like 127.0.0.1:8000 is a local machine address. I'm going, and if I open here 127.0.0.1:8000, here you can see Django is installed, and the version of the Django is 3.1. It's a default page of Django. So that's for this video tutorial, and in next video tutorial we'll install and set up Django in Windows.